The 4-H Summer Food Challenge is in progress, and the kids have many creative ingredients to figure out their tortilla creations. Everything from fruit and vegetables to canned chicken, and they have been hard at work measuring, slicing, dicing, sauteing. They work in teams of 4. They have a 40-minute time. Teen volunteers help them. Miss Christie teaches the lesson. She doesn't realize I'm videoing her. Can you have a what? Yes, you can have a plastic spoon. Right here, kiddo. You're welcome. So they are approaching the 15-minute mark until the end of their project. The room's starting to smell pretty good. I'm not entirely sure what all the ingredients are going to be. But I'm seeing some great teamwork. Some adventurous cooking ideas. Great job, everybody.